Line following. First approach. We tried going very slowly and detected changes in the line color. When a change was detected, we would back up, turn and try again. This worked very well for straight lines, but we ran into issues on sharp corners as it led to overextending or backing up too far and driving off the track. Second approach. Move forward. When detected a line change, we would turn the corresponding side only and keep going forward, never backing up. This fixed the overshooting and backing up too far and vastly improved the time as we were not backing up every other second. Final improvements included extending the RGB sensor to be able to anticipate turns better instead of turning too late, and better cases for detecting the color we were sensing so that we responded accordingly. This worked phenomenally and allowed us to achieve the desired outcome.
To implement the remote control part of the Rover, we used the ESP32 library that allowed us to communicate with the Bluefruit app and send commands from the app to the Rover, and then we simply moved the Rover accordingly. To implement the collision avoidance, we connected the distance sensor to the Rover and then measured the different voltage readings at different distances. We then used these values to determine whether we were close enough to an obstacle that we needed to stop or if the Rover could continue moving forward. Our goal was for the Rover to stop at around 20 centimeters from any obstacle. When implementing the convoying, we started with a straight line convoy. We had one Rover as a leader and one as a follower. The leader would drive in a straight line, and the following Rover's objective was to simply stay behind the leader at a distance of about 20 centimeters. In our second iteration, we wanted the Rover to be able to follow a leader freely and not just in a straight line, even when the leading Rover turned. To do this, we implemented a scanning function that made the Rover turn to the left and then to the right, scanning ahead of it and trying to find the leading Rover again. This involved reading the voltage level and checking to see whether it corresponded with a distance close enough that it could be the leading Rover, and once found, the follower would speed up until it was back at a normal distance from the leader and continue following. We also implemented Air Force One convoying as a bonus. In the end, we feel that we put quite a lot of time into the project and we are very happy with the final results.